Alright, YouTube subscribers, my name is Rayshawn, known as Rayniz on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm showing you guys my 42-inch Pro Series 2 ceiling fan from Emerson that I got from the lighting gallery called X-Way Electric. Now, as you can see on the box, that the finish of the ceiling fan is in brushed steel. But as you look at the label, it says it's in Appliance white. And it is now featuring LED lighting. So I always wanted to have an Emerson ceiling fan, so I got one in my collection now. I might not keep this fan for long, or I might end up keeping it. Hold on. Try not to reveal the location. So, all this stuff is in Spanish. Airflow, it is 1,713 CPM, which stands for cubic feet per minute. And the airflow efficiency, but I'm letting you read the information on this box here. Then this is all in Spanish. And this is in English. Yeah, I was on the bike with it, so I kind of messed this box up. And as you can see, that the ceiling fan was made in China. So yeah, I'm about to go on and do another video of this fan, but this time I'm gonna try to do an unboxing video of this ceiling fan, and I'm gonna be pulling out some fan parts here. So other than that, this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video, and I'm out.